Stuck with Microsoft PowerPoint not working on your Windows system? Frustrating, right? Watch this easy to follow tutorial for quick solutions to get PowerPoint back up and running. From troubleshooting common issues to practical fixes, we have got you covered. Don't let technical hiccups derail your presentations. Watch, implement, and ensure seamless PowerPoint functionality. Like, subscribe, and share with others who might need this handy fix. Step 1. Restart PowerPoint and reopen the presentation. Step 2. Check for and install any pending Microsoft Office updates. Step 3. Open PowerPoint in safe mode to rule out add-in issues. Press Window plus R, type powerpnt/save and press enter. Step 4. Repair Microsoft Office. Open Control Panel, then Programs and Features. Right-click on Microsoft Office, choose Change and select Repair. Step 5. Check for conflicting third-party applications that might be causing issues. Step 6. Disable hardware acceleration in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, go to File, then Options, then Advanced. Under the Display section, turn off Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Step 7. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Microsoft Office. Note: ensure that your computer meets the system requirements for the version of Microsoft Office you are using.